Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I think you guys all are engaging in preparing for CA Foundation exam. Now, I let you guys to know about a very important topic which will definitely come at least 2 to 3 marks in your economics paper of CA Foundation exam at every attempt. Please watch carefully this video. It's very useful for those who participate in examination of CA Foundation. 2 marks definitely if you study this in economic CA Foundation. The topic is indicators of the business economics. There are three indicators. Those are first one leading indicators, second one lagging indicators, and third one constant indicators. Coincidence indicator is also known as concurrent indicators. Very important. And now we will explain each and every one. Leading indicators. Leading indicators are those business cycles are identified by these indicators before they happening. Before they happening, you have to remember the word before. Before. If you see this word, you have to remember leading indicator. Okay, lagging indicators. Lagging indicators are those business cycles are identified by these indicators after the happening. After business cycle happening, these indicators are identified. The business cycles after, you have to remember the word after for lagging indicators. And coincidence or concurrent indicators are those which business cycles are identified by these indicators coincidentally. Coincidentally means simultaneously, one after one, at the same time. These indicators are identified. The business cycles, this is very important topic. Apart from this, there is another important topic in this topic. Now we are going to see. If you open your study material, page number 5.217, which is given by the ICAI, you are seeing leading indicators. There are examples for leading indicators. Those are changes in stock price, profit margins, and profits indices such as housing, interest rates, and prices, generally seen as produce at upturns or downturns. And similarly value of new orders for consumer goods, new orders for plant and equipment, building permits for private houses, fractions of companies, etc. These are the examples of leading indicators. Very important. They will definitely ask at least 1 mark for this topic. Please study this, go through your study material if you are not perfect at this video. Okay, next, this is leading indicator, and then we will go to lagging indicators. Lagging indicators, lagging indicators means which is identify the business cycles after they happening. See, there are different examples here. See, unemployment, corporate profits, labor cost per unit of output, interest rates, and the consumer price index, and commercial leading lending activity. These are the examples of lagging indicators. Please remember this, it will definitely useful. And then final one is coincidence indicator. Coincidence indicator is also known as concurrent indicators. For example, there are different examples for this also: gross domestic product, industrial production, inflation, personal income, retail sales, financial market trends such as stock market prices. Very important topic. Please study this, you will definitely get 2 to 3 marks. And if you want to know more important topics about your examination, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.